Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda CRV starter. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Gather your tools, including a 10mm socket, a 12mm socket, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. Safety glasses and gloves are also important. Make sure you have your new starter and a fresh intake manifold gasket ready before you begin. Next, disconnect the negative battery cable using a 10mm socket, then the positive cable. It's crucial for safety. Now, locate the intake manifold, which sits above the starter. Use a 12mm socket to remove the 6 bolts holding it in place. You may need to remove additional hoses or connectors to fully move the manifold out of the way, or simply secure it to the radiator support with a bungee cord. Now you can access the starter. Use a ratchet with 14mm and 17mm sockets to loosen and remove the bolts securing the old starter. Disconnect the main battery cable and the solenoid connector from the starter. Carefully remove the old unit. Position your new starter, reconnect the solenoid connector and the battery cable, ensuring the crimped side of the ring terminal faces away from the starter. Tighten the 14mm bolt to 33 foot-pounds and the 17mm bolt to 47 foot-pounds. With the new starter in place, replace the intake manifold gasket with a new one. Carefully set the intake manifold back into position, rethreading the bolts by hand before torquing them to 16 foot-pounds. Reconnect the positive battery cable first, then the negative, tightening both with a 10mm socket. Finally, start your vehicle to confirm the repair. If your radio asks for a 5-digit code, check your owner's manual. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to those amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.